Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a category games activity to show games according to our category. As you can see in the category fragment, we have some categories and let's click on action category. As you can see, it is showing a toast message and a toast containing a category's name. But we have to display the game according to the categories. Okay. So we have to create a activity for it. So let's get started. Open your Android Studio, then go to app directory and click on Java, then go to your package name. Okay. After your package name, you have to click in the activity directory and right click on it and then select new, then select activity, and after activity you have to select empty view activity. Okay, click on it. Now you have to give your activity name. Let's name it category game activity. Fine. And also make sure that you should have a generate layout file for this activity, and layout name remains default. Do not make it launcher activity, and the source language select Java. Okay. Now then press finish button. As you can see, our activity class has been ready. Let's build the project. Wait until it is finished. Okay. As you can see, our build process has been finished and activity is working fine. So first of all, we have to design our category games activity. So go to resource, then layout, and go to the activity category game.html file. Okay. Now as you can see, this is a empty for now, but we have to do add a nested scroll view, then a constant layout, and one recycler view. Okay. So let's get started. First of all, give a background to our layout. Let's background. Our color name is also background. Okay. Now as you can see, color has been changed. Okay. Now inside this constraint layout, we have to create a nested scroll view. Okay. Give a width to 0 dp, height also 0. Fine. Now fill viewport view. Okay. And set scroll bars none. Fine. And makes visibility visible for now. Later we will set a goal when adding a progress bar to this layout. Okay. Now we have to use the constraint property to fit its views according to the device width and height. Okay, so let's create a top to top of parent, bottom to bottom of parent. Okay, start to start of parent, and end to end of parent. Fine. Now let's close this tag. Okay. Now inside this nested scroll view, create another constraint layout. Okay. As you can know, we can also use any other views. instead of constant layout, but I prefer constant layout for the responsiveness of the app. Okay, so it is easy to use and implement any other functionality inside this constant layout. Okay, so let's use it. And this is the parent layout inside this netted scroll view. So width will be match parent and height wrap content. Okay, now let's close this tag. Now inside this constant layout, we have to create a recycler view for showing games according to the category, right? So let's take a recycler view, the first one, enter it, and get type its width 0 dp. Okay, now height make wrap content. Okay, fine. Now as you can see, it is stick to the at the top and there is no space. And if we add any item to recycler view, then it will stick at the near of the toolbar, so it will not looks good. So give it some space or margin as like this. Let's say margin top 5 dp is enough. Okay, now you have to use the constant property to make its view fit to your just device height and width. Okay, so what you can do, you can use just simply copy this property. Okay, and you now paste it here. It is fine. So, but as you can see, this is become in the center. So you have to remove this line bottom to bottom parent. Okay, then it will fix it. And if you do not want to remove it, then what you can add a other line which is vertical bias. Okay, so let's add vertical bias. As you can see, it is here constant vertical bias. Okay, now press enter and you have to give a value to 0.0. Okay, now it has been fine. As you can see, it is stick to the top. Okay, and now close this recycler view. Okay, and it is done. And do not forget to give a id to its recycler view. Let's name it. Okay, fine. Recycler view. Yes, fine. Hope you understand. And now we also add a progress bar to it. So after the close tag of naked scroll view, you can add your progress bar. And one more thing is that if you do not want to show a progress bar but show anything other animation from Lottie view or any GIF or a MP4 file, then you can also show it there. The whole process is same as like progress bar. Okay, not a single difference. Okay, so do not worry, you can add anything instead of the progress bar. So let's create a progress bar not there after closing tag of nested scrolling. Okay, here let's type progress bar and view height and width wrap content. Fine. Now make its visibility visible for now. Okay, as you can see, it is created there, but we have to make it center. So what you can do, simply copy the property of constant layout. Fine. Now take it here. As you can see, it becomes in the center of the layout. Now close this progress bar. Okay, and also give a ID to it because programmatically we have to make its visibility gone. So let's name it progress bar. Okay, fine. As you can see, our activity layout has been ready and there is no errors. Fine. Hope you understand. If you have any issue, feel free to contact me. Okay. So, and also one more thing is that if you are using new version of Android Studio latest version, okay, then no need to put your activity inside the manifest. It will automatically done by the Android Studio. But if you are using old version, then you have to define it here. This one, okay, inside the application opening tag. Okay, this one activity, and you should have imported false because if you are using Android 11 plus devices, so and also HTK version 831, okay, so you have to use this of export false. Okay, now everything is so in this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.